world before us is a symphony in blue and white. Ice stretches as far as the eye can see. The silence is broken only by the wind whistling through frozen fjords. Towering cliffs of ice, sculpted by time and weather, stand guard over this frozen kingdom. Glaciers, ancient rivers of ice, creep relentlessly towards the ocean. The sky is a deep twilight blue, a canvas for the setting sun. Light dances across the ice, creating a radiant glow, a breathtaking spectacle of nature's power and artistry. This is a place of timeless beauty, a frozen majesty that reminds us of the sheer scale and wonder of our planet.